This for the boys with dirt on their boots, steel in their hands, truth in their roots. Hey. Blue collar made, blue collar paid. Screaming, cold black coffee got a grown man dreaming. Lunchbox pack in the car, hard zip. Hop in the truck, let the black smoke rip. Sun ain't up, but the grind clock ticking. Hands all scarred from the life we living. Pipe fitters, welders, boys on rigs. Framers throwing lumber, stacking it big.